Messieurs et dames, Miami Dolphins, qui est un pile haïtien là-dedans, je nous connais, décidé de descendre en Haïti pour y apporter aide après cyclone Matthew. Ce n'est pas seulement Haïti qu'il y a aidé, il y a aider plusieurs autres pays tout, et semaine prochaine, nous avons suivi avec ça. Mais reporter nous ont rencontré avec eux avant que descendent en Haïti et m'ont invité nous suivre le reportage ça.
It's my pleasure to be here today. You know, we often talk about with our owner Steve Ross how we are a public trust and that it's our responsibility to be good stewards as such. And when the hurricane hit, started coming this way, a new experience for me being new to South Florida, you know, being here 3 years now. But we have a responsibility to take care of people, and so by Jason Jenkins' initiative, you know, Jason really deserves a lot of credit for taking the initiative to put together these programs for Cuba, for Haiti, and for the Bahamas.
Hi, I'm Janell Kaplan. I'm the Director of Donor Engagement at the Miami Foundation. I just want to thank the Miami Dolphins so much for entrusting us with a gift that will be used to support Cuba.
So it's a collaborative effort by everybody here in the South Florida market that really realized that the Bahamas, Haiti, and Cuba are our fans, our friends, and that we need to be there and be a part of it. So that's what this whole week is about.
I've been in the Bahamas all my life. I've been through many hurricanes. I was in Abaco when Floyd passed through, but I've never seen devastation like that. So I just want to say on behalf of the Commonwealth of the Bahamas, the Prime Minister, Mr. Eric Gladstone, Christie, we all want to say thank you to the Miami Dolphins and all of you for your kind assistance.
As you all know, Hurricane Matthew took hundreds of lives, destroyed homes in Haiti. We ask for the entire community to keep Haiti, Bahamas, and Cuba in their prayers.
Hi, my name is Amina Daoud. I am a Miami Dolphins cheerleader. This is my first season, and I'm from Haiti. After the Hurricane Matthew hit, my aunt was actually affected because since she lived in the area, there was a bridge that was a gateway to get to the city, the main city, which is Kaplan. That bridge fell down, so she couldn't connect back to the city, so that affected her. But my family is working really hard to also not only to help themselves but also the people in the area, because my dad has a foundation where he is providing aid to the local community, and my aunt also has a water company where she's donating water and doing all that stuff. So they're helping around also as well.
I wasn't born in Haiti. I'm from Nyack, New York, but both my parents were born in Haiti. They were born in Mirabal. Yeah, I still have family there right now. My family, they were safe throughout the hurricane, and I thank God for that. Yeah, we're gonna go out there. You know, we're gonna distribute medicine. We're gonna distribute generators. Right now, fresh water is a big, major need in Haiti right now. We're gonna go out there and do as much as we can to, you know, help our people, because, you know, it's very unfortunate. We're always getting hit with natural disasters, whether it being the earthquake a couple years ago, and now this. It's not right. So, I mean, I feel like it's in our hands that we need to physically go down there and make a difference. You can't always rely on, you know, different organizations to, you know, get things across. So I feel like us going down there is major. And, you know, we just want to go out there and help them and do everything that we can do.
And I'm very happy that the Miami Dolphins is supporting my hometown and helping out, and they're able to take me with them and be part of the help.
My message to the fans is, you know, if you're gonna donate money, you want to do your research on that organization and make sure that, you know, it's getting to the people. You don't want to donate anything to any shaky organizations, because there's been a lot of instances where people said they donated and it hasn't gotten to the people. So if you're going to donate, do your research, or if not, you can physically go down there and help the people. Okay. All right.
Thank you, Karen.
Assoya mais promettre-nous que le Miami Dolphins retourner sur Haïti, nous pral capable tendre yo à nouveau, yo pral vinn parler avec Christalie pour dire qui ça yo te ouais dans pays a, qui ça yo te fait et qui ça yo pral faire encore. Alors messieurs et dames, ça a été un plaisir d'être avec vous ce soir. Moi remercier nous que nous t'ai branché. Pas oublier que prochain rendez-vous c'est pour semaine prochaine, même le avec vous Elisabeth Guerin. Bonsoir.